Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be installing some window louvers on the back rear windows of my Tesla Model Y, the little triangle windows back there. This may be the most divisive video I ever do. I'm curious to hear what you guys have to think down in the comments about this. Let's get into the install. So let's quickly talk about the actual window louvers themselves. I got the glossy version to kind of match some of the gloss accents on my car. I do a lot of matte accents on my car, but these also come in a matte finish if you're interested in something like that. They're just made of an ABS plastic, really sturdy, really nice ABS plastic, super lightweight, and really just attached with some 3M adhesive on the back. So you can see there's 3M adhesive already on the back, and we're just going to peel that off. They do recommend using an adhesion promoter. So in the package, they send you some of these little packets, little adhesion promoters, really just like, I think, alcohol wipes to really help clean off any residue, oils, window cleaner, anything like that on your window. So this sticks really, really well. That's the whole point. What do you guys think? Do you like this kind of design? I'm curious what people are going to say down in the comments about it. Window louvers may have gone out of style in the 60s and 70s. They were really popular in a lot of old cars, and people kind of like that retro look still. So I don't know. I think it adds a little bit of not functionality, but a little bit of kind of aggressive style to your actual Tesla. And honestly, nobody uses these little windows anyway. You can't see anything out of them when you're in the back seat. So why not add some little style to your Tesla? We all like customizing our Teslas. So I'm going to use the adhesion promoter, and we're going to go ahead and get these installed and then see what they look like. So starting with the adhesion promoter that comes in the package, I'm going to go ahead and open these up. And in here, you'll see it's just kind of a little alcohol wipe that really just helps clean off all the oils, dust, fingerprints, stuff like that. So you can actually make a really good seal of the louver when you attach it here. I love that word, louver, kind of French word. I'm not sure what it means, but it sounds French anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and clean my window really well, all the way around where those little attachments are going to go. That 3M adhesive, I want to make sure it's super clean. So this is just going to kind of go all the way around, and I'm going to let this dry before I actually install the louver itself. So just want to make sure it's nice and clean, get off all these oils. You can see all the yucky stuff that's on there, gross. But let's go ahead and do it one more time. And I'm going to go ahead and do the other side as well while I'm waiting for this one to dry. The adhesion promoter is nice and dry, so I'm going to go ahead and start removing the cover, the little cover of these little 3M strips. Sometimes this is difficult. You might need to get a little scalpel or a knife to help get your fingernail under there. But once you pull these off, then we're going to go ahead and just press it on and install it. Okay. We got it actually all the adhesive off, so I'm just going to take my time, line it up right where I want it. I did a couple dry fits to make sure I kind of like where it goes. And I'm just going to pick the center of my window. Try not to get it stuck down too many times before you actually install it. I like that. Okay. Lines up really nicely. I'm going to spend some time putting some pressure on it, making sure it's really stuck down, and just kind of working it in. Don't mind all the fingerprints on it. I'm going to go through and wipe all these off afterwards anyway, just like touching the paint on your car. Make sure it's nice and clean. So now that I have one installed on the left side, I want to show you guys what it kind of looks like through that back window. So I'm in the back of the Model Y. You can kind of see I've installed the louvers over here on the left side, and this is kind of what it looks on the right side. So it does kind of cover up that window a little bit, but honestly, you can't see out these windows anyway. They don't really give you a whole lot of view. So just wanted to show you the comparison between an installed one and a not installed one. So taking a first look at the actual window louvers themselves, I'm curious what you guys think. I actually don't mind the aesthetic. It does add a little bit of graphics, dynamic, attention, whatever you want to call it, to the side of your Model Y. These also fit the Model 3s if you're curious. They have the same window over here. And I think they look pretty cool. I'm kind of digging the gloss version, how it kind of, accents the rest of the gloss features on here, kind of matches the matte window trim. Again, I have a lot of carbon fiber accessories. I have the carbon fiber spoiler. I have carbon fiber mirror covers up there. So I wish that I kind of got the carbon fiber ones to keep the accent, but I'm kind of digging these gloss ones as well. So again, down in the comments, let me know what you guys think of these. Is it something you would install in your car? Do you hate them? Don't just dislike the video because you don't like the product, but just let me know what you think down below. I think they're actually kind of sharp. They're super secure, right? Like I'm harping on these. Look how much I'm kind of just yanking on it, and it's not going anywhere. This 3M tape, super strong, super sticky. I don't think you'll have any worries about it coming off as you're driving down the road or anything like that. Same on the other side. Let's go check out the other side. Really nice and strong and secure. I like how they look on both sides. So I'm gonna get some shots out in the sun, and we'll kind of close this video out. Well, that about wraps up this video. Super simple install, not much going on there, right? It's just super simple to actually install these on your Tesla, and you're kind of good to go. 3M tape, and they're stuck. They're super secure, and I actually kind of really like the look. I'm digging the gloss look actually here. So I think I'm gonna leave these on my car for a little while, and let's see how we end up liking them. So if you're interested in anything like this, I do have a link down in the description where you guys can check them out. Right now, I think they're $60 on EVBase's website. If you use my discount code right here on the screen, GAML1080, it takes about 20% off, takes them down to about $48. So I think a pretty good deal, $50 for a little accessory for your Tesla. You can hardly get anything for that amount anymore nowadays anyway. So I'm curious how they'll hold up over time. Again, I'm digging that gloss look. I think they'd be super easy to wash your car and everything like that with maintenance. But let me know down in the comments what you guys think. I'm really curious to the kind of reception this video is going to get. I think this is a decisive accessory, so I'm really curious what you guys are going to have to say about it. If you're interested in anything else I've done to my Tesla, check out my Model Y playlist, as well as my Amazon storefront. You can check out all the things I've done on my storefront and the things I've done to my Tesla. I have a link to that down in the description as well. Thank you guys for coming back for another video. As always, feel free to like and subscribe. Got a lot of really cool stuff coming up this year, so catch you guys in the next one.